Hello everyone! Imagine your brain is a decision machine. Every day you make choices. Is it raining? Then take umbrella. Am I hungry? Then I eat my snack. Is it my friend's birthday? Then I give a present. Computers are the same. They need to make decisions too. That's why we have if, Elif, and else. The first type is the simple if, one choice. In this code, we have the age equals 10, and if age is greater than or equal to 8, then we can print you can ride the roller coaster. And since 10 is greater than 8, it prints you can ride a roller coaster. The second type is a two choice. It is if else. In this code, it is weather equals rainy. And if weather double equal sign sunny, which means if the weather is sunny, then print let's play outside. And then else, print let's play inside. Since rainy is not the same as sunny, that is false. So we'll go down to else. So it prints let's play inside. Now the third type is the if, elif, and else, which is multiple choices. In this code, it determines the grade for a certain score. So let's say the score is 95. And then the first part is if score is greater than or equal to 90, then we can print A. The second would be elif score greater than or equal to 80, we can print B. The third one is elif score greater than or equal to 70, we can print C. And then else, print D. It works like a waterfall. First, it checks the first if. If true, then do it and stop. So, since 95 is greater than 90, it is true. So the code will run print A. Now, what if we change it to 85? It will run as if 85 is greater than 90, which is false. So go to the next one. Elif 85 is greater than 80, which is true. So it will print B. Now if we change it to 75, it will keep going down, and then 75 is not greater than 90, so that is false. 75 is also not greater than 80, so that is false. But if 75 is greater than 70, so that is true. So we'll print C. Now, if we change it to 65, it will go down again. 65 is not greater than 90. 65 is also not greater than 80. 65 is also not greater than 70. So else, it would print D. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you.